um, I think we just added our flavor. That's why it became pangmasa because the melody, the original melody, hindi naman ganun kamasa. It was medyo technical and with the technical chords talaga siya.
Oo nga, tsaka alam mo ang galing naalala ko, I remember years and years ago, meron kayo isang show na sabi ko sana kung nasa Pilipinas lang ako noon, manunood talaga ako. Nasa yung parang sari-sari store.
Yeah.
Dude, that was brilliant. Ang
Thank you.
galing.
Yun yung culture na gusto talaga namin eh. That's why I think, may sinasabi mo yung Inuman Sessions Volume 2 because the backdrop of that gig was tindahan ni Aling Nena because Kanto and Eraserheads and parang ganun. And we also had a concert before na we were forced, I'll just say the word forced, na we were forced to do a major concert. Kasama din sila Herbert dyan. And ang ginawa na yung backdrop was Kanto, where nag-hangout kami ng bata. So, waiting shed, Kanto, sari-sari store, ganun yung ginawa na yung backdrop na. Because yun talaga yung where we're comfortable, tumambay, parang ganun. So, we didn't want to make it fancy. We just wanted to make it down to earth na